Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over our shower extension and just kind of how we put everything together. We've spent the last several months preparing for this. If you watched our last video, you saw that we ordered and built the entire shower as a technical build. If you missed that, check out this link. Looky, looky.
What do we get?
All of our 80/20 stuff came in for the shower.
Woohoo!
Get
Okay.
ready. Where are you off to?
I'm gonna go to the gym.
So bright. Cool. Okay.
Okay.
Love you. That's exactly what I need in my audio.
Shut up, Boba!
Yeah. Oh, it worked. Got our 80/20 stuff in. Nicole's heading off to the gym. We're gonna go ahead and unpack this and then get started assembling everything. Ew. So when I placed my order, I made a big mistake. We left one side nice and smooth, where the other sides have the groove. So that way inside the shower you've got this nice smooth area. Well, my mistake was the machined holes that we had them cut, we cut them on the wrong side. It needed to be on either the top or the bottom rather than the back. More than likely my fault. What you doing?
I'll do what you asked me to do.
Which is?
Thread these things.
Are you having fun?
Until you tell me that I did it wrong.
Well, that's a rough frame here. It's rough. Alright, so now we just need to go and rip.
The fun part.
Yeah, rip the old one out.
Can I just like literally punch through it?
Sure.
Prepare to be ripped out.
Yeah.
Now that I'm in here, I have some concerns.
Oh, okay.
Here's my concern. I don't want to rip this thing because I don't want to rip these things apart.
That's valid.
Okay. So.
What are you gonna do? Just punch through the plastic?
Can't. Oh, I got one hole finally.
One hole.
But
Put your arm through it. Let's see it.
finally. But if you're just like, it's pretty stable.
Yeah.
Now I've punched through the same spot 3 times, but I need something.
Why don't you do like fingertips, like Jackie Chan? You know?
This is like perfect opportunity to do one of those reels.
I know.
Pause.
Okay. Go for it.
Good night, boy.
Go for it, red. Go for it, black. Go for it. Get off my back. Get it for.
Hooray, hooray.
Oh, that was so scary. Scratch the ceiling just a little bit.
That's rude. Yeah. So let's figure out the roller situation, and then we can actually tighten these down. Well, then we can cut our panels and then tighten those down. And yep, I need the bottom. So it's going to be on that side. Flip. rotate. So we got our little rollers, and they're gonna fit on just like that.
Well, we've run into a little bit of an impasse here because this shouldn't be jiggling.
So my screws are too long for the hole. That's it for today.
Alright guys, we're gonna go make some dinner and call this quits for now and then pick this back up in the morning. So we'll see you then.
We still have to go to the grocery store, huh?
Yep.
You guys want to go to the... No, we're not taking the grocery store.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Good morning guys. We have a lot to do today and it is a super beautiful day outside. We ran into some issues with the shower the other day with the rollers, as you guys saw. And now our dilemma is getting those rollers to be perfect. And then we have to get the shower actually installed, which should be fairly easy at this point, but we'll see. So I gotta get Brad up because he's still sleeping and he should have been awake by now because it's now 9 o'clock. So I gotta go get this boy some coffee and get him up so we can get rolling.
Alright, so we just had to drill out our slides to accommodate a bigger screw. And one of the tests that we have to do is make sure that it's gonna, that the head of our screw, no, there. The head of our screw is small enough profile to slide in. And it is. That's golden. Okay.
We decided we're gonna do this side frosted, all of it.
I don't know. And it depends on how that frosted stuff works.
We have
Frosted flakes.
We have a test piece.
None of that.
You have another piece of plexi.
God bless you.
Thank you.
I think so.
Okay.
I mean, if we're gonna frost one side, we might as well frost both sides.
But you said you wanted this side to be
A show?
Yeah.
Or we could buy the film, and that way if we hate it, we can always just...
That's a good idea too.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's get this thing undone so we can do the panels. Can you feed me?
I can, yes. What would you like to eat?
Stay. Food.
Oh, wonderful. What kind?
Any kind. I'm just hungry. Please feed me.
Yeah.
I'll get it when I get back.
Alright, let's go.
Hello.
We're here at Saint Arnold's. It's a local brewery.
So we're just grab a little lunch, maybe a little beer, and run one more errand before we get back to the shower.
This makes some really good footage.
Is yours good?
Yep. Well, that's pretty good. It's an IPA, so...
Nope.
What you say?
I'm very torn between the falafel sandwich, or I'm sorry, falafel wrap, the major mushroom pizza, or the chicken and spinach pizza.
And so, what are you gonna pick?
I don't know.
How are you gonna decide?
I don't know. I'll ask him to pick between the three.
Okay, you're gonna let him choose your lunch. Got it. I still have to figure out what excellent.
Good.
She was just telling me that she was secretly hoping for the pizza.
The mushroom pizza?
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
you.
These fries are dynamite.
Cheers. These fries are good.
I just need you to see this chicken sandwiches. Thank you much.
Alright, we gotta run the last couple errands before we finish up the shower. Ready? Alright, I chugged until you were done. Okay, see you in a little bit. Bye! Let's get in and out of here. Come on. Found some rollers, wheels.
You did. Good job.
Oh wait.
All right, let's go home and get this finished up. So, we've got, what are these called?
Drawer slides?
We've got our drawer slides in place and our wheels all Loctited in place. All right, so now it's time to cut the panels. Well, that was a fair amount more challenging than I expected.
Definitely. I mean, overall, I think it looks really great. And it could have gone a lot worse.
Everything went together reasonably well, so I'm not going to complain. We did go through and lock tight, so right now we're just going to go fit it up in the van and hope and pray everything fits correctly.
Yeah, so we're going to get that installation done in the morning.
Oh,
So.
I was saying we're going to go do it right now.
No, it's too dark for that.
Okay.
It's time for dinner.
Dinner time.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the morning. Finish this project up.
See you guys.
Bye. New tool, sir. Sorry. We're definitely gonna need to cut this down. Again, another just about the same width as the.
Quarter inch.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. All you.
All right, dude. All right. How's our fit now?
Let's see. Ooh. Ah. Perfect.
Excelente.
Excelente.
Put some pressure on this way so I can go. Okay. Go a little bit more to the middle so I don't squish your hand. You don't need those fingers, do you? Moment of truth.
Alright. Go put this in the van.
Yeah. Oi.
Oi!
Been watching Ted
I
Lasso
know, I
too
was
much.
just about to say, you're watching way too much Ted Lasso.
Really need to clean these windows. They're so foggy.
You know, I've spent more time in this shower building it than I have actually showering.
A whole lot more. Come out. Very good. Stop there. I guess that's still as far as you can go, huh?
That's it.
Okay.
Look.
It's all to do with this wheel because it stopped right there. Very nice. Oh yeah, that looks really good. I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you got anything out of it, make sure you give us that thumbs up. We really appreciate that.
Yeah, and stay tuned next week for us to finally finish this project.
Yes, it's gonna be grand.
If you haven't already, don't forget to click and subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.
Thanks, guys.
See you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah. I'll grab a hood if you like that. I don't appreciate it.
Hey, go for it. That's the spot. Go ahead and set up. Let's cook some pizza.